Miguel from Mexico was standing in the elevator with his new American boss. 20 floors to go. Complete silence. His boss smiled and said, "Nice weather today, right?" Miguel panicked. He knew business English perfectly, but this simple question made him freeze. He just nodded and looked down. Those 20 floors felt like 20 hours. Does this sound familiar? You can write perfect English emails. You can give presentations. But when someone starts small talk, you go blank. Your mind becomes empty. You stand there like a statue while native speakers chat easily about nothing and everything. Here is the truth nobody tells you. Small talk is not about talking small. Small talk is the secret door to every relationship, every job opportunity, every friendship in English-speaking countries. Master small talk and you master connection. Today, I will teach you the Connect system. 6 simple steps that will make you a small talk champion in just 7 days. By the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start any conversation with confidence. You will never stand in awkward silence again. Let me tell you what happened to Miguel after he learned this system. 3 months later, same elevator, same boss. But this time, Miguel started the conversation. "How was your weekend? I heard you went hiking." His boss was surprised and happy. They talked for those 20 floors and continued talking in the office. That small talk led to Miguel getting promoted 6 months later. This is the power of small talk. It opens doors you never knew existed. Why is small talk so difficult for English learners? Let me share 3 big reasons. First, schools never teach it. You learn grammar, vocabulary, formal writing, but nobody teaches you how to chat about the weather or weekend plans. You are prepared for business meetings but not for coffee breaks. Second, small talk seems pointless. In your culture, maybe you only talk when you have something important to say. But in English-speaking countries, small talk is relationship building. It is how people decide if they like you and trust you. Third, you think you need perfect English. Wrong. Sarah from Germany discovered this truth. She tried to make perfect small talk with complex sentences. People felt uncomfortable. Then she learned to keep it simple. "Nice day, isn't it? How was your weekend?" Simple questions created instant connection. The Connect System Introduction. The Connect System has 6 steps. Each letter stands for one powerful small talk skill. Z. Comment on the moment. O. Open with easy questions. N. Notice and respond naturally. N. Navigate smoothly between topics. E. Exit gracefully when ready. C. Create follow-up opportunities. T. Turn strangers into connections. This system works because it follows how native speakers really talk. They do not plan conversations. They flow naturally from one topic to another. The Connect system teaches you this natural flow. Step 1. Comment on the moment. The first step is commenting on what is happening right now. The elevator is slow. The coffee is hot. The meeting just ended. The rain started. These are perfect small talk starters. Ahmed from Egypt was terrible at starting conversations. Then he learned the magic of moment comments. At the coffee machine, "This coffee smells amazing." In the waiting room, "This magazine has interesting articles." After a presentation, "That was really informative." These comments are safe because they are about shared experiences. Everyone in that moment experiences the same thing. You cannot be wrong about the elevator being slow or the coffee smelling good. Practice this. Look around you right now. What can you comment on? The weather outside your window, the sound of traffic, the color of the walls. Start noticing these moment opportunities. Step 2. Open with easy questions. After you comment on the moment, open with easy questions. Easy means questions that anyone can answer without thinking hard. Avoid personal or complex questions. Keep it light and comfortable. Great easy questions. How is your day going? Are you having a good week? Have you been busy today? How do you like this weather? Is this your first time here? Maria from Brazil was afraid of asking questions because she worried about grammar. Then she realized something important. Native speakers love easy questions because they can answer quickly and feel smart. Your grammar does not matter. Your interest in them matters. Practice this. Choose 3 easy questions you feel comfortable asking. Write them down. Practice saying them until they feel natural. These will become your conversation starters. Step 3. Notice and respond naturally. This step is about being a good listener and responder. When someone answers your question, notice their tone and energy. Are they excited, tired, stressed, happy? Match their energy and respond appropriately. If they sound excited, that sounds great. If they sound tired, it has been a long day, hasn't it? If they sound stressed, these busy times can be challenging. If they sound happy, you seem to be in a good mood today. Hassan from Lebanon learned this lesson the hard way. Someone told him they had a terrible morning. Hassan smiled and said, "That is great." Wrong response. Now Hassan listens carefully to tone before responding. The secret is simple. Happy people want you to share their happiness. Stressed people want you to understand their stress. Match their emotion and they will feel connected to you. Step 4. Navigate smoothly between topics. Native speakers change topics naturally. They do not stick to one subject forever. They flow from weather to weekend plans to work to family. You need to learn this smooth navigation. Here are simple topic bridges. Speaking of weather, do you have plans for the weekend? That reminds me. How was your vacation? By the way, how is your project going? On a different follow-up opportunities show that you care about the person beyond just that moment. It makes you memorable and likable. Advanced small talk secrets. Now that you know the Connect system, here are 3 advanced secrets. Secret 1. Use the name sandwich. Start with their name and end with their name. Hi Sarah. How was your weekend, Sarah? People love hearing their names. It creates instant connection. Secret 2. Share something small about yourself. Do not just ask questions. Share tiny personal details. I am looking forward to the weekend. I plan to try a new recipe. This makes conversations balanced, not interviews. Secret 3. Remember small details for next time. If someone mentions their dog, remember the dog next time. If they mention a hobby, ask about it later. Small details create big connections. Let me share 3 amazing transformations. David from India was invisible at work. Nobody knew him. After learning Connect, he started small talk with everyone. 6 months later, he was invited to important meetings and social events. His career changed completely. Lisa from China was lonely in her new city. She knew nobody outside work. Small talk at grocery stores, coffee shops, and parks led to friendships. Now she has a full social life and feels at home. Robert from Poland was afraid of networking events. He would stand in corners quietly. Connect gave him confidence to approach strangers. He now runs his own business with connections he made through small talk. Here are 3 challenges to master small talk fast. Challenge 1. The Elevator Challenge. Every time you are in an elevator with someone, make one small comment about the moment. Slow elevator today or going up too? Start with just commenting. Challenge 2. The Checkout Challenge. When buying groceries or coffee, make small talk with cashiers. They are paid to be friendly, so it is safe practice. Busy day today? Or I hope you get a break soon. Challenge 3. The Colleague Challenge. Every day, have one small talk conversation with someone at work. Use the Connect system. Start with moment comments, ask easy questions, and exit gracefully. Small talk is not small at all. It is the foundation of every relationship in English-speaking countries. The Connect system gives you the tools to build these connections naturally and confidently. Remember Miguel from the beginning? He went from elevator silence to promotion through small talk. Sarah went from complex failure to simple success. You can do the same. If this video helped you, type Connect in the comments and tell me which step you will practice first. I read every comment and reply personally. Subscribe to Sound of English for more fast English learning strategies. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video that could change your English journey. Your small talk adventure starts now. Go practice the Connect system today. Turn those awkward silences into instant connections. You have got this.